This video is going to show you how to change the two main belts on a Sony MegaStorage CD player, which also applies to the DVD player. This is for the Carousel and the internal CD playing mechanism itself. For starters, you've got screws here and here, equally on both sides. Here and here to remove, and then along the back up top there's three, and that removes our lid. We also want to pull this back cover off. There's 1, 2, 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3 on this side. I've got those removed to speed things up. Next, you want to remove this rear panel. And you've got a screw up top here, 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 down here, and these two. So we're gonna, and then one here. So we're gonna remove this panel, and here you can already see our belt is popped off, and it looks real greasy. Sometimes when old rubber deteriorates, the oils come out. So you may want to take a Q-tip and swab off the pulleys before you put the new belts on. I'll show you the belts in a minute. So we can pull this panel, just fold it a little bit and look down inside, and we see both of our belts. We'll pull them off to size them up with the replacement kit we have. After you put your unit back together, when you first power up, your carousel may go through a recycle period where it seems to be calibrating its position. After a couple turns, everything's going to be fine, and mine runs great now, and hopefully this video helps you too. Thanks for watching.